is the 18th of May 2010. This video is about the validation of the ABCD pattern. Okay, right here in my video today, I'll show you this pattern here, the A, B, C, D pattern right here. If you follow my cursor here, this is the D. Okay, this part is the C. Okay, and this part here is the B. Okay, and this part here is the A, B, C, D. Okay, if you watch my previous video, you should know this. If you experienced traders, so you already know about this. Okay, now we saw this USD yen, the 50-minute chart here today. After this ABCD pattern here, we saw it right here. The price went down. Now look what's happening here. The price came all the way back here to retest this level here. Okay, if I draw my horizontal line here for you, okay, this is the validation of this line here as a resistance level after the completion of this candle. This black candle is not yet completed. Okay, let me check quickly how many more. We got 9 minutes 5 seconds for this black candle to be completed. Okay, at the end of that 9 minutes, okay, if this candle remain bearish like this, that will confirm this line here as a resistance level. Okay, so even though our original decision was correct by selling at D here, the market decided again to retest that level of D. Okay, so it came back retested here, but like I said to you, the beauty, okay, the gorgeousness, if so to speak, of this particular signal at D is that you are entering the market with a very low risk. Okay, so you are putting in maybe 26 pip. Okay, and then you are on top of the pyramid, so to speak. Okay, so you don't close your position, or if you don't want to take that risk further, depending to your risk tolerance, if the price went down and try to come back and take you out, you may close your position at break even. Okay, and then go away. But in this case, my strategy when I'm using the ABCD pattern, after I put my stop loss, very tiny stop loss, but your stop loss will increase depending on your time frame. Okay, be very careful. So from 3 minutes to 15 minutes, I prefer to use 26 pip. Sometimes I use 30 pip, sometimes I use 40 pip. Okay, check it out yourself. I do not advise anybody on the stop loss. Okay, that's not my business at all. You have to work on it, or maybe you learn it the hard way. Okay, that's how it goes. Sometimes you have to learn it sometimes the hard way. Okay, so the price we sold it here at D after the ABCD was completed right here. Now the price came back, retested here. Okay, now we have this bearish candle developing nicely here. We are still in this trade, so we watch if this trend candle remain bearish. Okay, and more bear come to join, because after the validation of the resistance level, you have to check your volume indicator. Okay, did you see high volume coming in at that validation point? Okay, but like I said, the number one key is the validation. So if you are selling or buying at a validation point, you have more chance to have success. Okay, so validation plus high volume is the key. Okay, validation plus high volume, you will see increase in momentum. Okay, or sometimes you may only use the momentum, increase in momentum plus resistance being broken during the uptrend. Okay, a bullish increase of momentum plus breakout of resistance will allow us also to, these are different subjects. Okay, I don't want to confuse you, so I'm talking here about the validation of the ABCD pattern. So the ABCD, D here we sold it. Now this ABCD has been validated here. Not yet. We still got 5 minutes for this bearish candle to finish. So after that 5 minutes, if we are still in this video, you should see if it's valid, and then we may see the price come down nicely, hopefully, because now New York is not open, we are in between the London opening and the New York opening. Very tricky period, because what usually happens after London open, the market will trend, okay, and then it will pause, okay, for 2.5 hours before New York opens, okay, and then when New York opens again, we have a new trend. If you have during London opening time only consolidation period, usually what usually happens, we know that we are expecting some news around 8 a.m. Eastern time, okay, so the market is not ready to trade at all. We are expecting like interest rate decision or non-farm payroll coming out, or oil inventory is coming out, especially tomorrow, Wednesday, okay, very careful Wednesday, be careful, the oil inventory is coming, pay attention to the news, okay, so the market will consolidate during the London opening time. You won't see any trend at all, or there is a major news coming maybe at the end of the week, okay, and the market that is not prepared to trend at all during that week, so you will see consolidation going on, London open, all these things, okay, but in a normal market, you will see the market will trend during London open, that's 3 a.m. Eastern time for 2.5 hours, so, and then the market will pause again for 2.5 hours, so, and then New York will open, and then we have another trend again, and then the market will consolidate again during the Asian session, again going ping pong, ping pong, ping pong. If you trade the Asian session, you will see that all people are doing, they are just stuck on the 5 minutes playing the stochastic up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down till nearly midnight Eastern time, and then you may see some changes, because midnight Eastern time is 5 a.m. London time, and the pro are started, they consider the forex market to be closed that period, midnight Eastern time, okay. For the stock market is 9 p.m. London time, which is 4 p.m. Eastern time, okay. So you need to be aware about the market opening and closing and all the changes coming to the market, and also to know when the professional are in the market, because in my view, in order to make money, you need to follow the professional. If you do not trade like a pro, you are not going to make it, okay, because those who are making the money are the professional traders, okay. If you think of it, the bank, the hedge fund, they are employing a team of technical traders, okay, and they have also a team of fundamental traders, okay. So the team of the technician will come up with all their analysis, and the fundamental people also will come with their analysis, okay. Very important point I need to mention to you, during a consolidation period or during the quiet market, what usually happens, the market makers, or the big monies, okay, they are going through their fundamental analysis, okay, especially on the daily chart. If you see a stock consolidating, okay, on the daily chart, that's how more valid, okay, you will see that during that period, the market is trying to reassess that particular stock or that particular market. That's what usually happens. People try to debate, okay, and say, okay, is he supposed to go up, or is it supposed to go down again? And they try to value the company again, like Apple. They will see, is any new product coming, or if it's RIM, they will check whether RIM is coming up with a new market, the competition, and all the rest. And during that time, the market will be going boom, 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 boom during the ping pong, okay, and during the low volatility period, and suddenly everybody's convinced that these people means business, and they have a strong product coming out, okay, like Apple, all these things, and then the price suddenly give us the first wave, okay. Like I said to you, the first wave is the one coming out of the consolidation zone, and everybody say, what, I missed this one. But you don't miss anything. You don't miss anything. You wait for the second wave to pull back nicely, to retest that resistance level, okay, if it's uptrend, okay, and then boom, the third wave, end of the third wave, come out quickly and enjoy yourself and be happy. Enjoy your profit and be happy. Very important. Some traders, they never take their profit. Now, instead of taking maybe 30 pips, 30 pips, 30 pips, they expect 100 pips straight away. You may take 30 pips 3 times, and you are rewarded instead of waiting for 100 pips straight away, okay. Sometimes it's good to build it, okay, build it. I think the bank, they use more the consolidation period. That's where they make their money. Quiet period, okay, creaming the market slowly, but surely, without losing, because you don't want to give away, you want to take also. You will give away by all means, you will give away by all means, but you will take more. That's why you want to take. You want to take more, give a bit back, take more, to give a big back consistently, okay. No rush. If you are losing, reduce the amount you are putting into the market. If you are trading with 1,000 account, reduce it completely to 100. Okay. If you are trading with 10,000, reduce it to 1,000. Okay. And then play with that. Stick to that. Okay. If you are trading with $100, reduce it to 25. Okay. So you build your ability. Okay. Because your ability is the key. Okay. In order to make money, you must have a service or a product. Okay. Now your service is your ability. Okay. And if you come up with excellent product, you are in. So work on your ability. Okay. So till next time, enjoy yourself and be very happy. Thank you.